Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel, and today we're gonna, just work with this transmitter and receiver, which is um, FSCT6B, and it's very cheap in price. And today we are gonna see that how it works. Okay, this is our receiver basically. So first of all, when you buy this, you have to bind it. I'm not going to show you how to bind, but I will give you a little bit information about its binding. So what you have to do is that when you have a power source, about it takes a power source for about 4.8 to 6 volts. So you have to need to add these like this, the positive in the positive one and the negative in the negative one. And okay, this is just about the VCC, but for the binding, what you can do is that you have to do the same thing in any of the 1 to 6 channels. And what you are going to do is you will get this jumper wire with this receiver. So what you're going to do is you have to just plug in here like this, and just press this button and keep still and just turn this on. And what you will see that this light, you will get a light here. You will get a light here, and when it starts blinking, and then you do the same thing with the transmitter, it will get still here. So which means that your transmitter has been bound with this receiver. So you will be good to go. So this is how we're going to bind this. So I have set my voltage to 4.9 or 8 approx. So then one more thing, that it has a negative and a positive and a negative terminals. So you have to keep in mind that you have to take care of these things. This is the signal, and this is positive and negative. So I have already bind it. It's now bound with this receiver. So we're gonna test our servo motors. So my yellow wire is basically the positive one. So I'm just plugging in it. Here we go. And this is the negative one. So now, as I have already bind it, so the light will stand still once it gets on. So let's turn on the transmitter, and you can see that the light has been turned on. So now what we have to do is let's add our servo motors. I have 3 different, same basically the servo motors, and I'm gonna, just plug the motors in this receiver. The second one. And the third one. Okay, now let's see that how this receiver is working with these these different servos. So here's our transmitter. So turn it on. This is my basically you can see here, and left and right, and I have connected it with an other one, so you can see this one. So this is how we're gonna work it up. they are creeping all together. This transmitter has about the range about 1 kilometers, so it's very good